check out the seats in this brand new Ferrari. Carbon fiber all the way around, Alcantara in the center with the red stripe, red Alcantara, red stitching. I don't know if you could build a better interior than this. This is Horsepower Obsessed approved for sure. Anyhow, welcome to What's in the Shop, guys. It's Wednesday, and today we are obviously working on this Ferrari. This is a brand new, I think they're called 296s. They call them the Mini SF90 because it's the hybrid engine similar to the SF90. Makes like almost 700 horsepower. I had the pleasure of driving this one from Pittsburgh to here, and it is awesome. The owner of the car is a good friend of ours, and he told me to use the car a little bit, so I certainly did, and it was a really fun car to drive. We're doing a full PPF wrap, ceramic coating, window tint all the way around on that, so pretty much everything we do. We're also going to do some PPF on the carbon right where you get into the car, so like where you slide across the seat and sort of wear out the carbon and scratch it up. We're going to make sure we get film on that too. Right here we've got an Acura TLX Type S. Acura's got the best colors. This is that beautiful blue that they have. We're doing the bumper and the hood with paint protection film. Right behind the Acura is the Toyota Grand Highlander. This one got some PPF on the front end to stop rock chips and scratches, and now Caleb is ceramic coating it after a polish. This Escalade was here because there was a rock chip on the PPF on one of the mirrors that we were replacing. It did save the paint to my knowledge. And also there was something going on with the bumper that had nothing to do with us. It was popped out. We don't mess with removals of bumpers for PPF wraps. We wrapped this car a couple of years ago, but we were able to take care of it, it looks like, or at least for the most part. The car was previously vinyl wrapped by somebody else that wasn't us, so I'm assuming that's probably what happened with that. The bumper had to come off at some point. Behind the Grand Highlander, there's a Durango here. This one got window tint on the front two windows, and it's getting paint protection film on the front bumper. This Subaru right here got a partial hood. For those of you that don't know what that is or what that looks like, basically think of this as the old leather bras, but it's clear. And so a lot of economical installs are this. A lot of Kias, Hyundais, Subarus, we do this. And it's really effective protection, especially on this front portion. So you can't really see where it ends, but it ends right here. And we wrap our edges. A lot of people, when they do partials, especially dealerships and stuff, they don't do the wrapped edges. They just end it right at the edge. We still believe in providing top quality even when it is a small install. So we're going to make sure we wrap our edges. The all-electric F-150 Lightning. We've had a few of these in, but not that many. This one got ceramic coated. So this Stealth Wrap 911, we've done a lot of work for this individual for paint protection film, and basically what he noticed was happening even after we wrapped it. These rear quarter panels, or the hips that we like to call them on Porsches, were getting beat up on top of the film. So to combat that, we installed an extra piece of film on top of the film. So now whenever this area gets beat up, we can just remove the film that's there and put a new piece on top of the Stealth Wrap. So film on coatings, just layering it. In the tint bay, we've got an F-150. This one's currently getting tinted by Terrell. All right, so we're gonna run through this quick because it's raining and I forgot a coat. Mercedes is getting tinted. Silver Ram just did get tinted this morning, so it is ready to go home. Oh no, it's not. It's also getting coated. Tint and coating. The M4, this one got paint protection film, I think a track pack. And so the front end of the rockers, it's also getting ceramic coated. And over here we have a 911. This one came in from a body shop. Not sure really what they did to it, but we're gonna be doing some paint protection film on it. Up front, we've got Justin's ZR1, but you guys are sick of seeing that one. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia and South Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a tour through the back of our Gibsonia shop. In the showroom, we have a project that you guys saw on What's in the Shop last week. This is obviously a C8. This was in for the works. Full 10 mil wrap, 4 years Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and Prime XR Plus 70% tint on those two front windows. Next in line for ceramic coating is this 2023 Dodge Challenger. As you can see, it's missing the front decals, and that is because it got a full front paint protection film wrap. Once those decals arrive, we'll be polishing out the paint, applying the decals, and coating the entire exterior of the vehicle. We also tinted all the side windows and the back window of this Challenger in our Prime XR 30% tint. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this new F-150. This was in the PPF bay early in the week for a track package. The truck has some wide tires, so on the side of the vehicle from the body line down, it's going to take a beating with rocks, road grime, in the wintertime rock salt. That is no longer a problem with our track package. Now that Mark has his hands on it, we're going to polish out the entire vehicle and coat it in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have two vehicles from City Collision. Both vehicles had front right damage, and the front passenger windows were broken. So got the glass replaced at the body shop, and now it's back in here for 20% tint on each of those windows to make it look whole again. Back in the back, we have a brand new Cadillac CT5V. This has some really cool paint. It's black but the amount of flake in it makes it look like it's silver if you're right up on it. So really, really unique paint job here, and it's in for a full body wrap. So the front half of the vehicle, we're gonna be doing our 10 mil paint protection film. On the back half, doing our 8 mil paint protection film. We're also tinting all the windows on this with the exception of the windshield and our Prime XR 15% tint, and then we're gonna coat the entire body of the vehicle. We have a 19 Lincoln Continental. This is in for our full front paint protection film, paint correction, and ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Really luxurious inside. Has the suicide doors in the back, kind of like a Rolls Royce. Really, really comfy interior, be a good road trip vehicle. So you'll see these every day. Super pumped to get this in the shop. We're gonna protect it and get it back on the road here the next few days. This spec of the Continental is uniquely rare. This is the number 7 car of 80. Really, really cool and unique vehicle. Over here we have Steve and Austin doing a 2024 Civic Type R. This is in for our track package. They're doing some touch-up work on the front bumper, looks like right now. Once they finish doing that, it's gonna head over to the Mark in the ceramic coating bay to get a 4-year coating. Next up, we have Jason on this 06 Gallardo. As you can see here, has some old paint protection film. This had a track package that was done, I'm assuming at least 7 to 8 years ago. Had some yellowing going on. I don't think it was Expel. So we're taking off the old film, and we're gonna be doing likely a track package again. Over the years, it's got some pretty severe etching, some scratching on these piano black pieces. So we're gonna be protecting those in our black paint protection film. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Let's have a look inside our Miami location and see what the guys got cooking up this week. So what we're looking at right now is a 2019 Corvette C7 Z06, fully built. This car's making about 1,000 horsepower to the wheels. Pretty badass. He's gonna be doing a full track pack along with some extra PPF on the T-tops. Full ceramic coating as well. Car's getting all the treatment. It's in phenomenal shape. This vehicle only has about 3,500 miles. Check out this see-through carbon fiber hood. And over here we have this lovely 2023 Toyota Tundra TRD edition. Really sweet truck. Customer's gonna be doing a full PVF front end protection. Then we're gonna finish it off with a 4-year ceramic coating from Expel. Fantastic truck. I happen to like these. I think they look really great. They just keep getting better and better. All right, and in our PPF station, we have an extremely rare Ferrari. This is a 1972 GTB4 Daytona Spider. We're gonna be doing a full front paint protection film install on this vehicle. As you can see, we covered the windshield just to make sure we're extra cautious with this beauty.